Clematis is a plant that belongs to the Ranunculaceae family. The scientific name of this plant genus is Ranunculaceae. The clematis can have different appearances. Firstly, it can occur as a woody and herbaceous climbing plant, which is also common. In rare cases, clematis can occur as a perennial and non-climbing plant or in the form of a shrub. The evergreen and deciduous lianas of the plant reach up to 6 meters in length. The foliage leaves, which are usually arranged in opposite directions, are divided into petioles and leaf blades. While the petioles are short and long, the leaf blades are simple or pinnate. The margins of the leaves are either smooth or toothed. Clematis flowers are extremely rare to occur singly. Rather, they are in panicle or cymose inflorescences. Directly below the flowers are scale-like bracts, which, however, never enclose the flowers. Furthermore, the flowers are arranged in a symmetrical shape and can appear in a variety of colors. These include blue, red and cream. Some species of clematis also have single-seeded nut fruits, which have a pistil up to 11 centimeters long. Other species have bellows fruits and even berry fruits. The approximately 300 species of clematis are distributed all over the world. Most species occur in temperate latitudes, but some are also found in subarctic regions, alpine altitudes and in the tropics. China is home to the largest number of clematis species, 147, and North America is also home to about 32 species. But the clematis is also common in European countries. The reason for the worldwide distribution is that most species of clematis are suitable for any climate. Only a few exceptions require warmer and more temperate climates and need special protection against frost and cold. Various medicines can be made from some species of clematis. For this purpose, as a rule, the stems with flowers and the leaves of the plant are used. It is scientifically proven that clematis can have a great influence on the testicles and to the prostate gland. It is especially effective when they are hardened or swollen. Clematis can be used on both adults and children. Clematis originated in Asia, including China, Japan and Mongolia. In the early 13th century, the first species finally arrived in Europe. Furthermore, nowadays the clematis is a must for many garden besizers, hobby gardeners and botanists. It is considered easy to care for and is also a real eye-catcher or highlight in any garden.